Hello friends, now I am going to start the formation of ether of class 11th or class 12th chapter 11 topic alcohol phenol ether. In this video I am going to tell you how we can prepare ether and what is ether. There are mainly three ways for the preparation of ether. First way is from alcohol. How we can prepare ether from alcohol. The second is the most important on the naming reaction, that is Williamson synthesis, and the third one is through phenol. So let's see how we can prepare ether. So what we are going to discuss about preparation or formation of ether. What is ether? Ether is having functional group ROR. These type of compounds are known as ether. So first is from alcohol. How we can prepare ether from alcohol? Alcohol by dehydration reaction. What dehydration reaction? You know what is dehydration? Dehydration means removal of water. In earlier video I have tell you about for the preparation of alkene. फ्रॉम एल्कोहल से अगर हमें एल्कीन बनाना हो तो हमने डिहाइड्रेशन रिएक्शन का यूज़ किया था एट 443 केल्विन टेम्परेचर. द सेम वी हैव टू डू हेयर ऑल्सो. हमें एल्कोहल से ईथर बनाना है एंड द प्रोसेस इज सेम, दैट इज रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर एंड द डिहाइड्रेशन. बट सो वाटर इज डिफरेंट हेयर. दोनों ही हमें डिहाइड्रेशन करके अल्कोहल से एक एल्कीन दे रहा है और एक ईथर. द रिएक्शन कंडीशन इज डिफरेंट. इट इज टेकिंग प्लेस एट, रिमेंबर दैट इट इज टेकिंग प्लेस एट 443 केल्विन टेम्परेचर, whereas this is taking place at 413 Kelvin temperature. So when alcohol is treated with or dehydrated at 413 Kelvin temperature, ether is formed. Or when it is alcohol is treated with 443 Kelvin temperature, alkene is formed. So now we have discussed these in earlier videos. Now I am going to discuss this and their mechanism. So let's see mechanism. First is protonation of alcohol to form protonated alcohol. So let's see alcohol CH3CH2OH. When it is protonated, then what will form? Protonated alcohol O. This H is here, this H is same as it is, and this H get attached with this, and here is positive sign to form protonated alcohol. This is what? Protonated alcohol. Now the second is removal of water molecule from alcohol. So this is protonated alcohol CH3CH2OH. When it is treated with alcohol, again CH3CH2OH. So this is removed as water. You know water can be removed out. This is attached at oxygen. So nucleophilic attack will take place. What is written here? CH3CH2O. This is H. We have written there alcohol CH3CH2OH. I have written H here. Okay, understood? And oxygen has two lone pair. So one lone pair is given to this. एक लोन पेयर CH2 CH3 से अटैच हो जाएगा और एक लोन पेयर सिर्फ रह जाएगा विद पॉजिटिव साइन, क्योंकि उसने अपना लोन पेयर इस कंपाउंड को दे दिया एंड हेयर एंड वाटर इज रिमूव्ड आउट. सो अब आप देख सकते हैं कि हमें ROR डैश बनाना है. यहाँ पे हमें R दिख रहा है, O दिख रहा है, R डैश दिख रहा है, ये H एक्स्ट्रा है. तो लास्ट प्रोसेस इज डीप्रोटोनेशन. डीप्रोटोनेशन मतलब removal of hydrogen. तो CH3 CH2OH CH2 CH3 में हमारा जो हाइड्रोजन है वो रिमूव्ड आउट हो जाएगा and we are left with ether. So this is all about the preparation of ether. What is this? Ether, and H positive is removed out. So we have to prepare ether. The first is from alcohol, but the reaction condition is that at 413 Kelvin temperature, because if it is taken at 443 Kelvin temperature, alkene is formed as a major product. So we have to form ether at 413 Kelvin temperature, protonation of alcohol, then removal of water. The second is deprotonation. This is all about the formation of ether from alcohol. Now I am going to discuss about formation of ether only by the naming reaction, that is Williamson synthesis. The naming reaction is Williamson synthesis. This is also used for the preparation of ether only. When what happened in Williamson synthesis reaction, when alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkoxide, when alkyl halide or RX is treated with sodium alkoxide, then what we get? We get ether or NaX as a byproduct. So this is the formation of ether. So if we take the reaction with primary halide and tertiary alkoxide, is give good yield of ether. The reaction with primary halide and tertiary alkoxide is used for the preparation, is the best way for the preparation of ether, and we get ether here. CH3CO CH3 is get as ether, and the byproduct which is left is NaBr. So the reaction is with first degree alkyl halide and third degree alkoxide is a best for the preparation of ether. But with tertiary alkyl halide and primary alkoxide does not give ether. The reaction with tertiary alkyl halide, primary alkoxide competes over elimination reaction and alkene is formed. What we get? We get alkene. Here CH3C CH3 is attached and this hydrogen is removed off and it is formed double bond. CH2 is formed. The next which is left is NaBr as a byproduct and CH3OH alcohol. This CH3O and this H which is removed, ये CH3O और ये H जो removed हुआ है वो CH3OH form करेगा. NaBr as a byproduct and this is what alkene is formed. So this is the preparation of ether by naming reaction, what is called Williamson synthesis. In this reaction we take alkyl halide and sodium alkoxide, then ether is formed or with byproduct as sodium halide. So when primary alkyl halide or tertiary alkoxide is taken, it is the best way for the preparation of ether. But if tertiary alkyl halide is treated with primary alkoxide, अगर हमने tertiary alkyl halide primary oxide से ले लिया, so it competes over elimination and alkene is formed as a major product, because this alkoxide along with nucleophile act as a good strongest base, therefore alkene is formed. So this is all about the preparation of ether by Williamson synthesis. Okay. Now The second part, we know that in Williamson synthesis we take alkyl halide plus sodium alkoxide to form ether. With NaX. So if we take phenol SR, so we take phenol, so it means we have to form phenoxide, sodium phenoxide. So what we form, it is when phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide, sodium phenoxide is formed. And this sodium phenoxide, when it is treated with alkyl halide, so we get ether, and in phenol it is known as, what we get? We get phenoxide moiety, MYETY, phenoxide moiety we get. So it is same as what we have done for the preparation of ether, but in this in place of R we take phenol, and the reaction or the formation, the product which we get is phenoxide moiety. Okay, this is all about the preparation of ether, and we have discussed for the preparation of ether there are two ways. First, from alcohol, when it is treated at 413 Kelvin temperature, then what we get? Ether. We take 443 Kelvin temperature in the place of 413, then alkene is formed. So you have to remember that what temperature is taken for the preparation of ether or for the preparation of alkene. The second is naming reaction, that is Williamson synthesis. In this we take alkyl halide and sodium alkoxide for the preparation of ether. And the second, if we take, the third one is if we take phenol in the place of R, so what we get? Phenoxide moiety. So this is all about the preparation of ether. Okay, understood? Thank you.